Viewers, it has been my pleasure to welcome you to my class. This is my profile. All the information to the left hand side are about me. Guess what the picture is about, viewers. Any information you can supply? Is there any information you can supply about the picture? You see to the right hand side, we see some forms of verb there. Verb SES, IS form, present form, past participle form, ing form, base form. Viewers, if we have a look at the right hand side, we may have a glimpse of what we are going to focus on today. Here you see the right form of verbs, roles and example. So the right form of verbs. So that's why I am going to focus on right form of verbs today. Use the right form of verbs in the following sentences. The first question. The word news. The news, verb within bracket false. We see the rule. News, wages, politics, statistics, mathematics, whereabouts. Refer to singular verbs. The word, that means the word news, wages, politics, statistics, mathematics, and whereabout precede the singular verb. You see the last letter of every word with s. That doesn't mean the nouns are plural. Those nouns are used as singular nouns. So if the subject is singular, that's why if the subject is singular, the news we will take singular verb. Verb. So the answer, the news is false. Question number B. The foolish, verb, the friends of the public. Rule, people, police, dozen, cattle, gentry, folk, poultry. Refer to plural verb. Outwardly the word people, police, dozen, cattle, folk, poultry. These words seem to be plural, but those words, those nouns are used as plural noun. So that's why foolish outwardly seems to be singular, but this is not singular noun. This is plural noun. That's why the foolish are plural verb, are the friends of the public. Question number C. 1/3 of the work finish. Rules. 1/3, 1/4 within bracket object refer to singular verb. Student, 1/3, 1/4 কোনো বস্তুর ক্ষেত্রে যদি ব্যবহৃত হয় তখন সিঙ্গুলার ভার্ব হবে। নেক্সট, 1/3, 1/4 পারসন উইদিন ব্র্যাকেট রেফার টু প্লুরাল ভার্ব। অর্থাৎ 1/3, 1/4 যদি ব্যক্তির ক্ষেত্রে ব্যবহৃত হয় তাহলে এরপরে ভার্বটা অবশ্যই কি হবে? প্লুরাল হবে। So we see the answer, 1/3 of the work is or was finished. Present tense যদি করা হয় তাহলে is finished, past tense এ করা হলে was finished. Here you see the work is not person, that's why you see the singular verb is, was. Question number D. When he finished the work, he go to bed. We see two clauses here. He finished the work and the other clause he go to bed. Next one. He said that the sky verb blue. We'll see the rule. If a clause is in past tense, in complex or compound sentences, then the other clause will be in the same sentence. যদি একটা ক্লজ অর্থাৎ কমপ্লেক্স এবং কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্সে যদি একটা ক্লজ ফার্স্ট টেন্সে হয় আরেকটা ক্লজ ফার্স্ট টেন্সে ব্যবহৃত হবে। So let us see when he finished the work, প্রথম ক্লজটা ফার্স্ট টেন্সে, ওই কারণে আমরা পরের ক্লজটাও ফার্স্ট টেন্সে হয়েছে। went গোটা তাইলে কি হয়ে গেছে স্টুডেন্ট, went হয়ে গেছে, went to bed. And the other one, he said that the sky is blue. The first clause is in past tense, but the next clause is in present tense. So why, student? One point is missing here. That is, if a clause is in past tense and the other clause is universal truth, চিরন্তন সত্য, then the other clause will be in present indefinite. আমরা জানি যে চিরন্তন সত্যের বেলায় অন্য ক্লজ ফার্স্ট টেন্সে ব্যবহৃত হলো পরের ক্লজটা ফার্স্ট টেন্সে হবে না, প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিটে হবে। So student, next question. I went there with a view to see you. With a view to see you. So rule help with a view to look forward to mind devoted to used to plus verb ing. তার মানে with a view to look forward to mind এর পরে ভার্ব থাকলে এগুলোর পরে ing বসে। So student, you see with a view to seeing you. Next one. I let him go there. Let him go there. Rule subject make see was let object plus verb base form. That means bear this verb should will be bearing infinitive. Answer, I let him go there. Answer, I let him go there. Ace. Question number Ace. What you read at this moment. Rule sentences with the phrase at this moment now will be in present continuous tense. যে বাক্যের মধ্যে এই ফ্রেজ at this moment now এই ফ্রেজগুলো থাকবে ওই বাক্যটা অবশ্যই প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে হবে। Student, you see what are you reading at this moment, বাক্যটা প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে। এরপরে question number I, it is high time he leave the place. Rules, it is high time plus clause first indefinite tense, পরের ক্লজটা অবশ্যই ফার্স্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স হবে, it is high time he left the place. Question number J, run fast lest you miss the train. lest এর পরে অবশ্যই ভার্বের আগে বা lest এর পরে যে ক্লজটা থাকবে ওই ক্লজের ভার্বের আগে অবশ্যই should অথবা might ব্যবহৃত হবে। we see the rule, clause lest plus subject should might plus verb present form. Run fast lest you should miss the train or you might miss the train. Fair work. As students, as you are not in the classroom due to corona pandemic, you do the question yourself. You know it yourself. 5 sentences are given here for you. The verb within the brackets are not in the right form. You are supposed to rewrite those sentences, putting the verbs in proper form, in right form. Homeworks. Define different parts of clauses. You are supposed to write the definition of different parts of clauses. You have huge time at home now, so write down the different parts of clauses and memorize the definition of those different parts of clauses. So students, I have come to the end of my class. As a glow to your study, I will appear before you with another class within a couple of days. Thank you again.